cool stuff.
Prepare for the unexpected and discover the incredible world of survival shelters on Tech Code TV. Today, we're shedding light on amazing survival shelters you should know about. From rugged hideaways to portable sanctuaries, these shelters are designed to keep you safe and comfortable in the most extreme conditions. Join us as we explore the latest innovations in survival shelter technology that will help you weather any storm and emerge stronger. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a prepper, or just curious about survival techniques, these shelters are essential knowledge for anyone looking to stay safe in the wilderness. Built in the late 19th century, Spitbank Fort was originally constructed to defend British territories against the French Navy. Despite suffering significant damage during World War II, it underwent several reconstructions. Over time, it transitioned from its military role to serving as a nightclub and a filming location for TV shows. Eventually, it was transformed into a hotel, offering the unique experience of renting the entire fort for $6,200 per day or $79 per person. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, the fort closed its doors and was listed for sale. Notably, the historic walls of Spitbank Fort hosted a concert organized by the band Pendulum. Air Force One is the designation given to any aircraft carrying the President of the United States. Remarkably, the iconic coloring of these planes has remained unchanged since 1962 and was designed by Raymond Loewy, renowned for his work on the Coca-Cola bottle. The primary aircraft used for presidential transport is a modified Boeing 747-200B, specifically designated VC-25A. Additionally, there's the Boeing 757-200, known as the Boeing C-32 in its presidential configuration, used for smaller airports. Equipped with advanced communication systems, Air Force One can accommodate up to 70 passengers and sustain several days in the air with provisions for food and air refueling. Atlas prides itself as the premier bunker builder globally, offering a range of models designed to protect against riots, biological threats, and EMP attacks. Their catalog includes customizable options such as armories, showers, kitchens, and decontamination rooms. With sturdy bunker doors designed to keep out water and gas, and outer hatches that are bulletproof, Atlas shelters provide top-notch security. Some models even feature emergency exits. The Platinum Series shelter, renowned for its robustness, is priced at approximately $44,000 per square meter. Introducing the Iglou Insulated shelter, designed to keep you warm and cozy even in the harshest conditions. Constructed with polyethylene foam, this shelter offers exceptional thermal insulation, maintaining a temperature difference of up to 20 degrees centigrade between the interior and exterior. What's more, the interior is shielded with fire-resistant material, ensuring safety in the event of accidents. Assembly is a breeze, taking mere seconds to set up, making it an ideal choice for outdoor adventurers seeking quick and reliable protection. Next up is the Fire Shelter, specially designed for firefighters battling forest fires. With the unpredictable nature of wildfires, firefighters must be prepared for unexpected situations. This shelter allows for rapid deployment, providing a crucial barrier against intense heat and flames. Real-life accounts highlight its effectiveness, with shelters holding up admirably for up to 45 minutes, offering invaluable protection to those on the front lines. The U.S. Safe Room offers unparalleled protection from tornadoes and other threats, ensuring peace of mind for homeowners and businesses alike. Constructed from durable panels that easily bolt together, these shelters seamlessly integrate into any space. Their user-friendly assembly process sets them apart, allowing customers to install them easily. Crafted from 6.3mm thick steel, even the basic version provides robust defense, making it a popular choice among government agencies and civilians alike. Valley Storm Shelters are leading the way in storm shelter technology, boasting unrivaled strength and durability. Engineered to withstand the most powerful tornadoes, including EF5 category storms with wind speeds exceeding 90 meters per second, these shelters offer unmatched protection. The standard model features a door weighing 141 kilograms alone, demonstrating the commitment to providing absolute safety and security for users. Discover OPPIDUM shelters, where luxury, comfort, and affordability converge. The top-tier version boasts an expansive coverage of 1,150 square meters, starting at $60 million. Step inside to find 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, exquisite handmade chandeliers, and custom-made furniture, offering a refuge worth showcasing. Clients can personalize their shelter with additional amenities like a movie theater, swimming pool, gym, or garden upon request. Engineered to withstand various threats, including chemical, biological, and radiation hazards, earthquakes, and explosions, OPPIDUM shelters are designed and realized without compromise. These 6-meter containers cater to a diverse clientele seeking unparalleled safety and opulence. Tailored for military applications, MDSC systems expandable containers meet NATO standards and offer exceptional versatility. These containers, available in both 3-meter and 6-meter sizes, can be efficiently transported by planes or track units, providing 35 square meters of space when expanded. Customers have the flexibility to select their preferred equipment, and modifications can be made to meet specific requirements. A 3D model assists customers in visualizing their container's appearance, emphasizing the importance of speed in deployment, a critical factor in military operations. In times of crisis, shelter-in-place shelters offer vital protection against a range of threats, from tornadoes to earthquakes and unforeseen emergencies like school shootings. With only minutes to seek cover during a tornado and the potential for earthquakes or armed attacks catching individuals off guard, these shelters provide a secure haven. Engineered to withstand earthquakes up to 9.5 magnitudes, Category 5 hurricanes, and gunfire from weapons like AR-15s and AK-47s, these prefabricated shelters can be easily customized to fit available spaces. Designed for quick entry in just 30 seconds, they can be strategically placed in locations such as classroom corners, ensuring rapid access when every moment counts. As we conclude our exploration of survival shelters, it's evident that innovation is key to survival in challenging environments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about these incredible shelters. Stay tuned to Tech Code TV for more thrilling updates on the latest advancements in outdoor gear and survival technology.